Hey everybody, it's Chef Chris here. Welcome to another episode of Tips with Chef Chris. And today we're going to be showing you the make ahead and grab and go healthy smoothies. So the healthy grab and go smoothies are something we love doing in our household. It's something really easy to make. You can get the whole family involved. There's a little pre-planning that is nice to go into it because of the way that we do it. We buy ourselves some disposable cups, and we do that so that we can have a lid with a straw hole in it ahead of time. We're not going to add any liquid into these right now. We're going to get all of our ingredients in them, get them frozen, and then it's the grab and go pull out of the freezer. My beautiful wife Monique is a school teacher, and she takes one of these with her to school every morning. It's fantastic. I, on the other hand, have been eating way too much of my own snacks, and I need to lose some cholesterol, so I'm started to take these now too. So hence the video, right? I'm going to keep everybody healthy. So we're going to just build a real basic one here. We've got some green apple going in here. We've got some avocado. I always take our berries at home when they're about to start turning, and I stick them in the freezer knowing that we're going to do this in advance, right? The big bag of some frozen mango here. You can, like say, play with the ingredients, make them fun. We've got frozen yogurt. You can put this in a Ziploc bag or freeze it right in your container right from the store, and it comes out real nice. It doesn't have to be frozen, but it's so much easier to handle and build a whole bunch of smoothies with that way. We've got some chia seeds here. That's something we like to put in there. We do flax seeds, we'll do hemp seeds, we do nuts. We're going to show you some of the recipes later on, and that's where we're at. So we're back from our freezer. We've got our frozen healthy grab and go smoothies for the family, and we're ready to head out the door. This is ginger and greens. I'm going to show you where the liquid comes into play now. You could use any liquid that you would like. We've got almond milk here. We're going to fill that just up to the level of the cup. We've got coconut milk. We've got some apple juice. You can use pineapple juice. Use whatever you want. This is going to get blended. Save your cup and save your lid. Be sure you lid your blender because I've done that before and that's an awful mess. Here we go. Everybody loves that part, except for my dog. You're gonna get the smoothie back into your healthy grab and go cup. Lid goes back on. You've got your healthy straw right here. You're ready to go out the door. We're commuting. That's fantastic. My doctor's going to love me. So be sure to check out all of our episodes of Tips with Chef Chris, and it's going to be on our website and also our food gallery. Also on the website, you can see all the beautiful stuff that me and my crew provide in this place. Thank you. Cheers.